What a perfect day for a picnic.
It sure is. Let's get in the van.
Yeah, picnic time. I get the window seat.
All right, climb in.
Careful now.
Wow, look at the trees. So pretty.
We're on our way.
Rain, rain, go away. Come back on
Let's go
another
back.
day.
Here it comes.
Daddy wants to laugh and play. Rain, rain,
Good thinking,
go away.
Okay, Mommy?
Rain, rain, go away. Come back on another
Storm,
day.
quick, grab everything.
I'm on it.
Mommy
My
wants to
Okay.
laugh
The
and
clock is
play.
flying.
Rain, rain, go
Yes.
away.
Trees,
Rain,
run.
rain, go away. Come back on another day.
Hold on tight, we'll be all right.
Little brother wants to play. Rain, rain, go
Good job,
away.
honey.
Rain, rain, go
I'm gonna kick it.
away.
So
Come back
pretty.
on another day. Little sister
Be
wants
careful,
to
sweetie.
play. Rain, rain, go
That's
away.
it, spin.
We're so proud of you.
Rain, rain, go away.
Right behind
Come
you.
back on another day. Little baby wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, drift away. Come again some
That's the
other
spirit.
day.
What a lovely day.
Now we
What a
run
beautiful
and
spot for a
jump
picnic.
and play.
Let's go
Rain
play.
has
Race to the
gone
flowers.
away.
All right, let's get this blanket set up.
Perfect. Now, who wants a sandwich?